I have been teaching English to students for a long time and learning it myself too. The most common problem I noticed is that many students say they can understand English well, but when it comes to speaking, they struggle. So, today we will learn 5 techniques that will help you to practice speaking English at home by yourself. So, my name is Geeta Singh, and if you all think that you can understand English well and you can read English, write English, you can listen English, when it comes to speaking, you are struggling. So, this video is for you. The first technique I would suggest that is shadowing. Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker's audio. You can try to mimic them, what they say, as closely as possible in terms of pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. It's a powerful tool to improve your English listening and speaking skills.
For us, this hotel is for little bugs.
This hotel is for little bugs.
It is made out of sticks, old logs.
It is made out of sticks, old logs,
Bricks and leaves.
bricks, and leaves. It can improve your pronunciation, your speaking fluency, expand your vocabulary, and helps with intonation and rhythm. So, second technique I would suggest that is picture composition. You must heard about this picture composition. Here I will show you something. This is a grammar book of my son, and here is the chapter composition, and he is in second standard. Composition, picture composition. And what will you do in this? Here is the question I will read. Describe the picture given below in sentences of your own. You may use the words given in the brackets. So here is given a picture and you will describe to your own words in sentences. Look at the picture first. People, object, actions, and describe the scene to your own words. Okay. Add a story. Imagine what it happening or might happen next. Use simple words. Write short sentences like the boy is flying a kite, or the dog is running, the children are playing, and your story finish a happy or meaningful ending. Everyone enjoy their day. So for example, the picture shows a sunny park, kids are playing on swing, a dog is running with a ball, parents are chatting on benches, everyone looks happy and relaxed. It is a lovely day. So that kind of sentences you can make. You can take any picture as of your choice, and I would suggest some of here, and you have to describe it to your own words. The third technique I would suggest you to situational speaking and practice with role play scenario. In this, you can give a situation to yourself, like, convince someone to watch your favorite movie. Okay, you can say this movie has an amazing story. You will love it. It's a perfect for relaxing and having fun. It has something for everyone: action, drama, humor, and it's only for a couple of hours and you will enjoy it every minute. So this kind of sentences you can use for convince to watch your favorite movie to anybody. Fourth technique is loud reading. Loud reading improves your pronunciation, helps you say words correctly, builds your confidence, makes you more comfortable with speaking aloud. And the last but not the least, fifth technique is record yourself. Recording yourself helps you to identify and correct mistakes in pronunciation and grammar, and it also builds your confidence and improve your fluency. So that's all in this video. Stay tuned, keep pushing your limits, and I will see you in the next video with more tips. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Take care and bye bye.